What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, what we're going to be talking about is how to make an extra $8,000 per month as a 9-to-5 accountant. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this style of video is I've been on a couple calls with a couple of you guys who are currently working 9-to-5 accounting jobs, whether it's at Big Four, mom and pop shops, or mid-sized firms. And your main goal is you guys enjoy what you do, you don't mind it, but you want to make a little extra more income. You know, the current money that you're making right now, it's not bad, but it's not the best. When you are making good money, it kind of gets taxed a lot, or flip side is you're working minimum 40, 50, maybe 60 hours a week, and you want a little something extra. Well, that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. So you may think, okay, I have a 9-to-5 corporate position at a Big Four firm, maybe MMP, Deloitte, KPMG, whatever. And you're thinking, how do I make more money? How do I get to $8,000 per month? Because trust me, it is possible. It is definitely possible. You may think, I need to work more hours. You may think, I need to take on more tasks. You may think that you may even need to switch your job. But I can definitely tell you, you don't. Especially switching your job. Because if you switch, you're basically starting from the very bottom. You have to do the whole corporate game all over again. So, what can you do? You need to make an extra $8,000 per month. You could work more hours, take on higher risk project managements, or switch jobs. We already got the switching jobs out. You're not doing that. Taking on a lot more projects and higher risk projects, you could do that, but now you're taking on more work. We're working more hours. Okay, that's not what we want. Or, as I just said, you could work more hours. It's not what we want. Okay, you're working a minimum 40, 50, 60 hours right now. We're trying to get that down to a maximum 40, not a minimum. And that's what a lot of you guys were wondering, is how do you get to that point, okay? And I find it kind of funny because a lot of you guys don't quite understand this. But you have spent probably 7 to 10 years obtaining, crafting, practicing, maintaining, and just overall, you've been practicing this skill for the last 7 or 10 years, okay? Every single day, with the exception of Christmas and the holidays, you get to take off, sure, whatever, but still, every single day, you've been practicing this skill. You've gone to school for it. You've woken up at 4 a.m. for it. You've worked past 5 until 10 or 11 p.m. for it. You worked the weekends for it. Maybe you took a holiday and you still worked throughout the holiday for it. You have a skill, and that is the exact same thing that you do at your 9-to-5 corporate job. Okay, whatever that may be. That could be personal tax returns, corporate tax returns, monthly bookkeeping, payroll, account receivable, account payable management, whatever, corporate tax planning, corporate tax strategizing, estate planning. The list goes on. You guys don't realize that the skill that you have developed, that you've been mastering, people pay top dollar for. People want that service. They want that skill. And it is in such high demand right now. They actually recently did a study, and I talked about it in a couple of my past videos, but I'll bring it up again. They say in the year, I believe 2030 or 2032 or something around there, 75% of the accountants today are going to be retired. So we are already in demand for accountants. Okay, I'm sure that you know it. You're working minimum 50, 60 hours a week. I can guarantee you, you know it. You're feeling it. You're living it every single day. Now take your staff or your employees, your friends, your coworkers, and get rid of 75% of them. and probably double the workload because there's going to be more people coming into this world. There's going to be more businesses started. So get rid of 75% of your coworkers and double your work. That is what it's going to be like in the year of 2030, 2032, 2035, whatever. And that is exactly what you're going to do to get to your $8,000 extra per month. Is you're going to do exactly what you're doing at your 9 to 5, but you're going to do it for yourself. Now, you may start small. You may take on little tiny engagements, little easy files just to get the groove and see how it feels, kind of learn how to talk to clients, get clients, onboard them, take sales calls, do and deal with client conflicts, stuff like that, because that's going to happen. But overall, what you're going to do is the exact same thing at your corporate job. The only difference is you're doing it for yourself. You keep all the profit. You do the file and the work when you want. No longer need to commute to any kind of office or job place or whatever. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. To get to your $8,000 per month, you are going to do the exact same work that you're doing at your corporate position, but you're going to do it for yourself. If you want to learn how to do that and you want step-by-step videos, first off, go through my YouTube channel. I've got a bunch of different videos showing you how to start, grow, get your clients, sell your clients, and overall get to that $10,000 per month mark. But if you guys want to learn more, check out the links below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.